Hi, my name is Greg Palia. I'm with West Roofing Systems, and welcome to another edition of Whiteboard Roofing. In today's episode, we're going to talk about how to get a commercial roof with an R-25 and a 20-year warranty. So someone reached out to me and said, hey Greg, we're doing these roofs down south. For the client, I need to get to an R-25 and I need a 20-year warranty to come with it. How is that possible? The short answer, there's many ways to do that. It just depends on what kind of insulation and what roofing membrane you use. You could use polyisobord, which has an R value of 5.5 per inch. So I mean, if you do 4 inches of that, you're around an R22. Spray polyurethane foam has an R value of 6.5 per inch of thickness. So 4 inches of that is R26. So there's multiple ways to do that. But today I'm going to talk about spray foam a little bit because for most people, they've never heard of it before. So really it's two chemicals, an A and a B side. They could pump from 55-gallon drums in a truck alongside your building. They run up the side of your building through a hose where they're heated and mixed, and what comes out of a spray gun is a liquid which rises 30 times in size within seconds, usually an inch to an inch and a half, and it's a foam. It's pretty rigid, it's closed cell, it's definitely made for roofing environments. So that's kind of the background of what it is. The cost for a spray foam roof, it used to be $4 to $7 per square foot in the summer of 2021. It just, with everything going on with the labor shortages and materials being hard to find, I don't want to say the cost is double, but it's certainly a lot higher than what it used to be. But just because everything's so volatile doesn't mean that tomorrow they could be back to the original prices. So if you want to update pricing, just reach out to a contractor and they'll let you know what it is. But how do you use spray foam to get the roof to an R25? Really, it's 4 inches of foam. It's 6.5 per inch of thickness, times 4 is 26. Very simple how you can get to an R25 that way. How to get that 20-year warranty. So every spray foam roof needs coating to protect it from UV rays. It's a really thin layer. But for a 20-year warranty, you would add 30 mils of coating over top of that. That's pretty much it. And people also ask, how durable is a foam roof? They think foam, it's that stuff you put inside your walls or stuff that comes in the box you ship stuff with. It's not that at all. It's very hard and rigid. It's meant for roofing applications. We've been doing this for 40 plus years, so it certainly works. But you can walk on it. If you have excessive foot traffic on your roof, we can install walkways. Usually we do that with a double broadcasted granules. But if you have any issues with walking on it, it's certainly, you can do that. Actually has a PSI of 50 to 60 pounds per square inch. It's very similar to the pegs your refrigerator has on it. So it's very, very strong. That's pretty much it. Hopefully you learned that if you want to get to a 25 and a 20-year warranty, 4 inches of foam, 30 mils of coating, and you're there. If you want any more details about any of this, please read the blog post, the links below. And thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.